This has to be the worst lighting setup ever. But this is the best spot I could find here at the airport. I'm in Portland, Maine. I left Las Vegas about 3 weeks ago. I went for the second module of school for anatomy trains, structural integration, and that all now ended. And so today is the day where I'm finally flying back, but not to Las Vegas, but to Chicago to meet Bre and YWOL, and also spend some time with some part of her family. As you know, the family story of Bre is a bit complicated, but she has some family living in Chicago and we're meeting them for the Thanksgiving holidays. I have no idea when this video will be published. It might be another month or maybe in the new year. So to mention Thanksgiving might be completely irrelevant. We will just spend some time with family. And it's been a really good time here in Maine. I had a really good time in the school. I learned a lot of growth happened. This path of structural integration and to become a practitioner feels really right to me. Hey guys, someone is doing a vlog here, so please be quiet. It was a fantastic time. I learned a lot. I grew a lot. This path is just really right for me. And there's a lot of homework now that I have to do, lots of studying, lots of body work until I come back in the next year for the third and the last module. Very exciting journey. And before I left, YWOL just started to explore crawling, so it was really interesting to see how he's exploring his movement and his freedom and his own strength and how everything is developing. And while I was gone, he really started to go all into crawling. It's just so sweet and makes me so happy to see that he's exploring his freedom and that he's realizing that he can move on his own and without any help. Just fantastic to see this development. And I miss him a lot, I miss Bre a lot, so I'm super excited to see them in just a couple of hours. I will now continue the journey to Chicago to meet Bre and YWOL and spend some time with the family, some well-deserved rest. Finally there, oh my god, it's a long flight, so much sitting. First world problem. Now YWOL will see me. He has of course no idea that I'm coming. And I have no idea how he's gonna react. Maybe he's gonna be stoked, maybe neutral, maybe, I don't know, confused, I'm guessing. There's Bre and YWOL.
Who's this? Who's this guy?
Hi baby YWOL.
YWOL! It's Papa!
Ich bin's Papa. Hi my love.
Hi.
Good finally seeing you again, it's so great.
I know, I love it. I'm so happy.
She hasn't vlogged in a while, I guess.
Yeah. I'm in the moment. Gotta say, nice to have the break from holding a heavy baby, but here I am holding the camera.
Well, now we're picking up her brother, Josh, which you know from the other video, from the Montana visit. And then we will go to see some family. Her other brother.
Yep, my oldest brother.
You haven't met him yet.
You guys haven't met him yet. Yeah, I guess YWOL hasn't met him yet either. So
yeah.
You and YWOL are together in this. It's actually been 3 years since we've seen them. So
We saw them just before we left to travel.
Yeah.
Travel the world.
Yep, and now we are almost 3 years later. So
It'll be nice, many things changed.
yep, just a few. Let's go.
Baby, hi. Hi, bud. Sister. Look at this guy. Look at this guy.
Who's this? No.
Meet YWOL.
Hey, buddy. How are you?
Very good.
You too. Thanks for taking vlogs later. Let's get out of the way. It's been a long time.
Okay, keep him in.
We have a little hand now. Oh my god.
Make sure you're not crying because we're all screaming.
I know, right?
That's Ilo.
No, Ilo's right here. This is Ilo.
Ilo.
No, that's Uncle Flo. Uncle John.
Hast du Hunger? Hast du Hunger?
Yeah.
Are you hungry? What's Ilo having?
So far, we'll see if he likes it. Bananas, pears, mashed potatoes, and sweet potatoes. We'll see what he likes. It'll probably just be him making art, which will also be nice.
Is this recording?
We're now at the playground and Ilo is feeling the cold for really the first time. First time on the swing. Yeah.
What do you think? No reaction.
I think he likes it. Maybe we can do like a full flip. Baby Ilo! We had a really good time at the park and now we're grabbing a Christmas tree for the family. What's the requirement for the tree? 7 feet. 7.5 feet tree. Alright. It's like a labyrinth here. Is that the one?
I say it's one. It's one of the contenders. Yes.
Okay, go. Hey. Where are you? Stay there, ready? I'll call to you. Right back. Nailed it.
Found one?
I think we have a winner.
So I think the parents are more into it than the kids.
Yeah, most definitely.
That one is it? And just in case you're wondering, we're not getting any Christmas trees. We're not celebrating Christmas. We just like to hang out with the family.
Yep. Yeah, get together and share good memories.
Remember guys, the bigger the tree, the bigger the presents. Hilarious.
It's only like $12 for a permit to cut down a tree in Montana, so this whole experience is also kind of funny because in Montana it's like
That's
nothing.
a Montana girl.
Yeah.
And Bre takes out the chainsaw and takes down the tree. We got some nice slow motion footage of like... We're playing a couple of rounds of our favorite game, Shanghai. The losers in the end have to do 10 push-ups. And we're now in the second to last round. Most of us have done a lot of push-ups already. And it's so fun when we come down to the ground with baby Ilo. He's so excited. Welcome back to Las Vegas. We're now back home finally, and for me it's being back home after 3 weeks, which is so nice. It was great to visit everyone, to see everyone.
Yeah,
but
so good to see family again.
it's very nice. A nice Thanksgiving time, and they had us at their nice home and it was cozy and lots of card games, lots of good meals. But it's always nice to be home, especially if you love your home. So now we're just excited to be here.
So good to see my oldest brother and my other brother, which we saw last month in Vegas. Also to see my 2 nephews and then my 3rd nephew, who I haven't seen since he was just a couple months old. So
Right, he's now so tall and talking and running and doing all the things.
And he has the most luscious, beautiful Pantene Pro V conditioner hair. So he's like so fun to play with and just fun with Ilo to interact with too. So next time we see them, then Ilo will probably be walking and playing with Zeke even more.
Most likely, yes.
Yeah.
For now we're home. We're excited to get back to work and to create and to push a lot of the things that we have currently going on forward and close out the year. And then again we will travel for the holidays. Thanks for following along. Have a fantastic time and we'll see you in the next one.
Yes.
Take it easy. Peace.